Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show how can we block or unblock Wi-Fi users in our Wi-Fi router. At first, we need to log in to our Wi-Fi router as per the router's default IP, user ID, and password. You can see, after providing the admin password, I log into my Wi-Fi router. Here, we can see all connected devices, including authorized or unauthorized. So, if we want to block unauthorized user from our Wi-Fi router, then click on Devices. Here, we can see also all connected devices MAC, IP, and device names. Now, if we want to block any device from here, or block internet access, just click on the internet access pop-up beside the device name. You can see, I block this device's internet access. That means, this device is connected, but no internet access permission. We block any other device, in the same way. If we want to unblock this device again, just click again, this pop-up switch, to internet access. Now this device is unblocked, and able to access internet by your Wi-Fi router. If you have any queries about your Wi-Fi router, then type me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.